Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily make the menu larger in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, go to the left here and now scroll down to the settings. Now go to all settings and scroll almost all the way down to general and privacy. Click that and go straight to the accessibility. Now scroll till you see zoom menu and text. You can disable this or enable it back again. Here, as you can see, I have it enabled because it looks just better for me and more readable. Of course, if I was closer to my monitor, it won't be readable, but for you in the camera it looks nice. And that's how it works. Goodbye!